Are you looking for the best mountain bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mountain bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ktaxon 27.5-inch mountain bike. The Ktaxon mountain bike offers a versatile 21-speed shifting system that allows you to easily navigate various terrains, from gravel to rocky paths. With powerful shock absorption and mechanical dual-disc brakes, you can enjoy a smoother ride and respond quickly to stops. The lightweight aluminum alloy wheels reduce wind resistance, enhancing your overall riding experience. Plus, the durable high-carbon steel frame ensures longevity, while the quick-adjust seat post clamp allows you to customize your riding height with ease. This bike is designed to keep you comfortable and confident on your adventures. What we like: affordable price, easy assembly, sturdy build quality, good packaging, responsive customer service. What we don't like: minor brake wobble, small parts durability. Number 2. Huffy Stone Mountain Men's 26-inch mountain bike. The Huffy mountain bike is equipped with a durable steel dual suspension frame that comes in a beautiful purple color, ensuring a smooth ride by absorbing bumps. With 21 speeds and a Shimano rear derailleur, you can easily find the perfect cadence for your journey. Front and rear linear pull brakes offer strong stopping power and control. The 26-inch all-terrain tires make it suitable for various terrains, providing stability and traction to help you navigate with ease. What we like: sturdy frame quality, easy assembly process, lightweight design, good value for price, informative assembly video. What we don't like: handlebar occasionally loosens, uncomfortable stock seat. Number 3. Goplus 26-inch mountain bike with 6-speed. The Goplus 6-speed mountain bike is designed to fit riders between 64 inch and 74 tall, thanks to its adjustable seat height that lets you find a comfortable riding position quickly. With its 6-speed gear system, you can easily switch speeds to handle uphill climbs or smooth rides on flat surfaces, giving you more control during your journey. The bike's dual front and rear brakes provide dependable stopping power, ensuring you feel safe and in control at all times. Plus, its wide, all-terrain rubber tires offer excellent grip and durability on various surfaces, from city streets to mountain trails, helping you ride confidently wherever you go. What we like: lightweight frame, premium appearance, smooth gear shifting, comfortable saddle, easy assembly. What we don't like: slightly tall for shorter riders. Number 4. HILAND 26-inch 18-speed mountain bike. The HILAND 26-inch MTB features a tough high-carbon steel frame that keeps you steady and safe as you ride over rough mountain trails. With 18 gears to choose from, you can easily adjust your pedaling to handle hills or flat paths, making your ride smoother and more enjoyable. Its design is perfect for both women and men between 5 foot and 5 feet 8 inches, with a low step-through frame that helps you get on and off comfortably. Plus, the bike's dual V-brakes ensure you can stop quickly and safely, while the rugged all-terrain tires give you solid grip and prevent flats on tricky roads. What we like: easy assembly process, all parts included, sturdy packaging, attractive design. What we don't like: slight brake adjustment needed, minor quality control issues. Number 5. WEIZE Hardtail 29-inch mountain bike. The WEIZE 29-inch mountain bike is designed for riders between 5 feet 4 inches and 6 feet 2 inches who want a reliable bike for various terrains. Its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy for you to handle and carry, while the 29-inch wheels help you roll smoothly over rough paths. With 21-speed gears, you can easily adjust your pedaling effort to match the trail conditions, giving you more control and comfort. The suspension fork absorbs shocks from bumps and uneven ground, making your ride steadier and less tiring. What we like: easy assembly process, sturdy construction, lightweight frame, comfortable riding experience, Good value for price. What we don't like. Minor wheel or brake adjustments. Seat and pedals could improve.